this picture. And I want you to tell me what do you think it's about. Describe it. And say what comes to your mind when you see such a picture. Can you see it?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Can you see the two words that are written on the picture?
Yes.
What are they, Zainab?
The first word is departure and the second is arrivals.
Good. Did all of you get the two words that?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you please repeat them, Hussein?
They are departure and arrival.
Thank you. Well done. Good job. Say what comes to your mind when you see such a picture. Who are the people first? What are they doing?
They are getting on the plane. We see that the number of people who are leaving the country is a lot more than the ones who are coming to the country.
Good. Excellent. Yeah. Having said all this about this picture, what do you think it's about? What do you think today's theme is going to be about? It's like leaving their countries. What do you think the theme, the major theme of this picture is, apart from the one that Anwar mentioned?
This picture is about immigration in general.
It's emigration in general. What is the verb from emigration?
To immigrate.
Emigration. And the person who emigrates is called emigrants. Why do you think people emigrate? I want you to think about it for a few seconds. I want you to join hands with your partner. I don't want you to write anything, but simply talk about it. Share reasons together with your partner. Share reasons about ideas about the reasons why people emigrate. I'm going to write a spidergram on the board and any reasons? Yes, Hassan.
Nowadays, I think people immigrate because they want to find a great future, to build their future. And, for example, there are many of them that immigrate to find good jobs and great work. And some people, younger people, immigrate mostly to study because they think that.
Mention name of him, please. Just mention one.
Usually, young people immigrate to study.
So, for maybe education or education. Good. Any other reason? Yes, Mr.
I think the majority of people immigrate because of work. As you know, there's a lot of employees, especially in our world, so they travel to find work.
To find, if you want, a job. So, for maybe work or jobs or employment. Yeah? Iman?
Maybe they are looking for a better quality of life.
For a better quality of life. Any more reasons or any more ideas in addition to? Yeah? Yes?
Also, many people immigrate to find the cure for many diseases which are not available in their countries.
Mm-hmm. Hold on. Compare these reasons.